Welcome back to the Newell Elementary Science Fair Project Student Handbook. In this video, we will cover Step 1, which can be found on page 3 of your handbook. Step 1 is due, as you can see here, December 1st. Step 1 is all about choosing your general topic of study. When you are working on Step 1, you need to think about what it is you enjoy doing or any hobbies you have, what interests you about science. If you're not interested in a particular topic, then you're less likely to do a project on it, you're less likely to do well on a project on it. So make sure you are thinking about things that you like and are interested in when you're choosing your topic. For this first step, all you're doing is picking several different possible topics. There's a line for 5 topics, but you don't have to pick 5 topics. If you only have 2 things that you like, that's fine. If you only have 1 thing that you like, that's fine. It just makes it more challenging, though, for you to come up with a project if you only have 1 or 2 options. So there are 2 websites listed here that are good resources for coming up with some ideas for experiments. Not research projects, but experiments. And that's a good places to go and look and see if you get some ideas from it. On the right, we have lists of topics that are all sorts of science-based topics. You're not limited to these topics. These are not the only ones you can choose from. These are just some suggestions. So especially for a research project, this is a good place to look. So you're going to choose your topic and you're going to write down what you think you want to do. This is also when you need to decide, am I doing an experiment or am I doing a research project? And you're going to check one of these down here. You need to be sure about this because it becomes more difficult if you change your mind later. Then you have to change course and figure out what you're doing. So really think hard about what topics you're picking and whether you're going to do an experiment or a research project. Then this is due to your teacher by December 1st. If you have ideas and this is ready before December 1st, then by all means get your teacher to sign off on it before December 1st. Then you can move on to the next step and be ready to go. But again, you have to have some idea of what it is you're going to work on, whether it's an experiment or a research project, and pick the topic that goes with that.